Hello my families, welcome back. In the previous class, we have seen on ways to ask direction in Amharic language, okay? It's other class, okay, regarding ways to ask direction, okay, it's the next class. And the other way to ask direction in Amharic language is that, for instance, here, you want to ask a nearby direction, okay, a nearby place, okay? Since you are new to a place, most of the time, you want to find a place which is nearby. If it is far, you are not familiar to that place, so you'll not be comfortable to go into far place. So most of the time you will ask what a nearby place. So how can we ask that in American language? Okay, we'll see that. So we'll say what? Where is a nearby dash? Okay, you'll ask or you'll fill the place here. Where is a nearby dash? For instance, if it is a bank, you'll say, where is a nearby bank? If it is hotel, you'll say, where is a nearby hotel? Okay? If it is any place you want, you name the place here. So, where is a nearby dash? In order to say where is a nearby, in Amharic language, we'll say what? በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ dash yet no, okay? Dash yet no. Dash here, you will fill the place, okay? በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ. Okay, this one, በአቅራቢያ means nearby, okay? በአቅራቢያ means nearby, okay? Nearby. In order to say nearby, in Amharic, we'll say what? በአቅራቢያ. This one is what? Basic alphabet B, okay? This one is basic alphabet A. This one is subgroup of basic alphabet K, and it's called what? K. And this one is subgroup of basic alphabet R, and it's called what? Ra. Whereas this one is subgroup of basic alphabet B, and it's called what? B. And this one is subgroup of basic alphabet Ya, and it's called Ya. When we read it, በአቅራቢያ, okay? በአቅራቢያ. በአቅራቢያ means nearby, okay? በአቅራቢያ. So, nearby in English, okay? Nearby in English. In Amharic, nearby means what? በአቅራቢያ, okay? በአቅራቢያ. So, በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ, okay? የሚገኝ means found, okay? የሚገኝ means found. So, this one is basic alphabet Ya, and this one is subgroup of basic alphabet Ma, and it's called what? Mi. This one is basic alphabet Ga, and this one is what? Subgroup of basic alphabet Nya, and it's called what? Nya, okay? Nya. When you read it, የሚገኝ. የሚገኝ means found, okay? Found in English. Found means የሚገኝ. በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ, okay? It means nearby, found, okay? Dash, yet no. Where is? Yet no means where is. This one is what? Basic alphabet Yeah, and this one is what? Subgroup of basic alphabet Ta, and it's called T. Yet. It means where. And this one is what? Basic alphabet Na, and this one is what? Subgroup of basic alphabet Where, and it's called Will. No. It is means it is. So, yet no means where it is. So, in order to say, where is a nearby dash? Where is a nearby dash? In Amharic language, በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ dash yet no. Okay, where is a nearby dash? In order to say where is a nearby, in Amharic we'll say what? በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ dash yet no, okay? በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ dash yet no, okay? So other way to ask direction, okay? Similarly here, when we want to ask such word or such phrase, we need to be polite. We need to use out polite words such as excuse me, my brother, my sister, okay? Excuse me means ይቅርታ. Excuse me. In English, excuse me means in Amharic, ይቅርታ, okay? Whereas my brother in English means what? In Amharic, ወንድሜ, okay? And my sister in English means what? In Amharic, እህቴ. And when we use this polite word, okay, what we need to take into consideration is that excuse me works for all, okay? It can be male person, female person, or two or more than two person. We can use it, okay? It can be used for male person, for female person, for two or more than two person, which means ይቅርታ. Excuse me means ይቅርታ. So we can say ይቅርታ to female person. We can say ይቅርታ to male person. Also we can say ይቅርታ to two or more than 2 persons, okay? It's impossible, okay? Whereas, if you want to use my brother, if you want to use a polite word, my brother, it means ወንድሜ. It only works for male person. Since my brother means ወንድሜ means my brother, so my brother or ወንድሜ works only for male person, okay? We need to take consideration that. And if you want to use my sister, it means what? Sister means እህቴ. My sister means እህቴ. So, if you want to use my sister or እህቴ, we only use for female person, okay? So, we need to take that into consideration. And let us see one example, okay? Here it is. For instance, you are new to a place and you want to find what? A library, okay? You want to find a library. So, using the phrase that we have seen, for instance, excuse me, where is a nearby library? You want to find a nearby library in such place, so you want to ask a nearby library. So, you'll say what? You'll ask by saying, excuse me, where is what? A nearby library. Excuse me, where is a nearby library? In order to say, excuse me, where is a nearby library? In Amharic language, we'll say what? ይቅርታ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ ላይብረሪ የት ነው? We'll say what? ይቅርታ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ ላይብረሪ የት ነው? Okay? ይቅርታ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ library yet no. It means that what? Excuse me, where is a nearby library? This means what? ይቅርታ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ library yet no means excuse me, where is a nearby library? Okay? Excuse me, where is a nearby library? Here, excuse me means in Amharic language ይቅርታ. Where is a nearby library means በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ library የት ነው? Okay? Library in English is also what? Library in Amharic. Okay, similar. Library. It hasn't changed. Okay, so በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ means a nearby. የሚገኝ means found. Library is also library. Yes, no, where it is. Okay, so in order to say, excuse me, where is a nearby library? In Amharic, we'll say what? ይቅርታ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ library የት ነው? Okay, ይቅርታ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ library የት ነው? Okay, የት ነው? We can ask like this. And what you need to take consideration is that excuse me can be used for any person, okay? Which means ይቅርታ, it can be for female person, for male person, or for two or more than two person. The other example is that you want to find out an ATM machine, okay, in your nearby place. And you are what? A new person or a new one to the place you are going, okay? How can you ask that? For instance, if the person you are asking is female person, you will say what? My sister, where is a nearby ATM? Okay? My sister, where is a nearby ATM? In order to say my sister, where is a nearby ATM in Amharic language, we will say what? እህቴ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ ATM የት ነው? Okay? ATM in English is also what? ATM in Amharic, no change. So, እህቴ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ ATM የት ነው? It means that my sister, where is a nearby ATM? Okay? እህቴ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ ATM የት ነው means my sister, where is a nearby ATM? Okay? So, in order to ask a nearby ATM in Amharic, you can say what? እህቴ, which means my sister. በአቅራቢያ means nearby. የሚገኝ means found. ATM is ATM የት ነው? Where it is. So, እህቴ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ ATM የት ነው? It means that my sister, where is a nearby ATM? Okay? The other example is that you are new to a place and you want to find what? A lodge. For instance, let us say you are a tourist, so you want to find a lodge. You can say, or you can ask, if the person you are asking is male person, you can say my brother. Okay? My brother, where is a nearby lodge? Okay? My brother, where is a nearby lodge? In order to ask my brother, or in order to say my brother, where is a nearby lodge? In Amharic language, you will say what? ወንድሜ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ lodge የት ነው? Lodge in English is also what? Lodge in Amharic, lodge. So, ወንድሜ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ lodge የት ነው? Okay? ወንድሜ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ lodge የት ነው? So my brother means ወንድሜ whereas በአቅራቢያ means nearby የሚገኝ means found and lodge means it's lodge የት ነው where it is. So my brother here is a nearby lodge. In order to say my brother here is a nearby lodge in Amharic language we'll say ወንድሜ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ lodge የት ነው. Okay, የት ነው. So these are some of the examples. We'll see the next topic in another session. Okay.